Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Biz. Once again, I'm Chef Biz, your local chef Thick Boyardee. What we got here is another video brought to you by Meat and Bone. On this week's episode, we're going to be working with some of their WAGYU beef burgers. Meat and Bone's a local butcher shop here in South Florida. You can visit them in their Coral Springs or the Coral Gables location, or order your food through meatandbone.com, and they will deliver to you in about 2 hours if you're local. Now, you can also visit their link at meatandbone.com if you click right down here below. Also visit their Instagram, Meat and Bone, and leave a nice little comment on one of the videos. And also always check us out. Cook dope food, do dope shit. Peace. Once again, this week's episode, guys, Cooking with Biz. We're doing the Meat and Bone WAGYU beef burgers. So let's take it out of a nice freezer bag they have here. He gave to me. And here we got 4 WAGYU beef patties. That I'm just going to open the bag up. And we're going to take them out. We're going to look at them real quick so I can show you the camera. Now look at these bad boys. Nice and thick, about a ½ inch. We're going to put these nice and seasoned with just salt and pepper. The meat should be flavorful enough on its own. We just want to get some good char marks on them. Now for burgers, I like them about medium. Don't want to get too much medium rare on it, but to each their own. Not a problem. Just letting you guys know because I'm cooking mine to medium. Now once again, you want these beautiful burgers? They're $22 on meatandbone.com. Once again, visit the link down here. Or just, you can actually go to their Instagram and order through there as well. Now, along with these burgers that we're doing, I'm gonna make a cheese sauce with it. So in this pan over here, I'm gonna grab some heavy cream. And in this bowl, I have Fontina cheese. Nice creamy cheese, melts easily, has a good flavor, but nothing to overpower the actual flavor of the meat that we're using with. And then in collaboration, I have some Havarti. I know as cheesy as it goes, Havarti's for the party, so let's go. All right, so now I'm just gonna season the burgers with some butcher block black pepper, just a big cut. And a nice amount of pink sea salt that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna season it on this side before we get out to the grill. And then I'm gonna season again with salt and black pepper once they're on the grill. And of course, when it comes to your burger buns, you want a nice burger bun here that we have. Always and always toast your buns. Otherwise, you're just a puto. Sorry, it is what it is. And we're gonna toast these outside on the grill. I got some melted butter on the side that we're gonna hit them up with. Get a nice little buttery crunch on them. Now I'm gonna make sure my grill is nice and hot. See you guys in a couple minutes. So we're here at the stove. We're gonna put in some of the Fontina cheese in with some cream, some heavy cream. And we're having it at a very low heat. We're gonna let it melt slowly. You don't want to fast boil it. We're also going to add our Havarti cheese. You want to shred it, just get the melting point a little easier. And if you were doing it with a whole block, it just takes a little while longer. And then we're just going to leave it here, let it melt. Add a little salt to begin with. Add some more salt if necessary at the end, as well. Some black pepper, and I'm gonna give it a dash of some Mexican chili pepper, but just a little bit. So we're back on my grill on the outside of my apartment complex out here in Hollywood, Florida. Got a grill pumping to about 400 degrees. And we're gonna take each steak and we're gonna throw it on the grill. Now, you hear that sizzle? That's what you want. You hear your food talking to you. We're having a conversation right now with our food. Now we pre-seasoned the first side with salt and butcher black pepper. Now we're going to take the outside. We're going to season it again with some Himalayan pink salt. And once again, some of this butcher black pepper. And we're going to cover it for about 4 minutes. We're not going to move it too much. Let that nice crust build. See you in 4 minutes. So now we're going to take, at this time, we're going to take our trusty spatula and we're going to take each burger and we'll split them a quarter. So no matter where you're starting from, 1/4. That's what you get. All right, guys, so we're back inside. We're going to build our burger. We're going to grab our toasty little buns here. We're going to grab a burger patty. And we'll take some of this decadent cheese sauce. And we're just going to melt it right over. And that, my dear guys, is our WAGYU cheeseburger from Meat and Bone, brought to you by Cooking with Biz. Have fun, enjoy your meal, peace. Hey fam, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell on top so we can catch all our weekly updates. Peace.